Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. We have a huge video about Uber and Lyft drivers quitting across the nation. So you don't want to miss this one. Please thumbs up the video so we can all be on the same page with what's going on right now. And also want to tell you all about this new rideshare insurance company that is helping drivers, Uber and Lyft drivers especially, get a new policies. They're helping you cancel your old policy and getting a new policy that includes rideshare insurance so you're fully covered in the case of an accident. I'll have a link below. They'll give you $20 just for getting a free quote, or you can become a free member of their website and they're gonna give you $5 just for signing up for free. So pretty awesome. Use the link below to take advantage of that offer. They're called Buckle Up. And I'm having a meeting with them early next week, so I will share that knowledge that I got from the meeting with you all about Buckle Up. But so far, they're for the drivers. They seem great, and they're even, again, paying drivers to sign up for their platform. Okay, so here we go. Rising costs and reduced pay leave Uber and Lyft drivers frustrated across Metro Detroit. According to drivers, Uber pays 57 cents per mile, and Lyft pays 75 cents per mile. So they're actually saying that Lyft pays more, and I want to hear from you. Is Uber paying more or is Lyft paying more? Hundreds of Uber and Lyft drivers are struggling to keep up as their profits are shrinking while gas prices and other expenses are soaring. Drivers are very, very angry about the rates, said Tony Glover, an Uber and Lyft driver. Glover has been an Uber and Lyft driver for 7 years. He says the way things are going now, most drivers will have to quit. People start doing their math, and therefore they say, I can't operate at $1 and some change Uber and Lyft are giving us. Another Uber driver, Sam Jabers, says the company has started to deduct 48% per run. $100, you only get paid $52, Uber driver Sam Jabers said, of which Sam says $10 goes towards gas. Driver Fouad Matar shared his trip receipt, clearly showing on one of the trips he made only $13, while Uber charged the customer $31. They charge $97 to the customer. How much they pay me? $36, Uber driver Devers said. What do you guys, make sure you look at your rides and see how much the rider is paying versus how much you are receiving. Look, I understand that Uber and Lyft, they pay per mile and, you know, distance and all that calculation too. But I mean, if they're increasing the fare for the passengers, shouldn't they also increase the fare for the drivers? I don't really get the discrepancy there. With everything going on and people struggling, it's only fair, said Alexa, an Uber and Lyft rider. What I'm asking from them is that the fare rate should at least be $2.50 per mile. What we also should have is the choice of adjusting our pricing, and we should have the flexibility of operating within our particular city. I know in California they did give drivers the option to change the fare. I don't know if that still exists though. But anyways, that's why Uber and Lyft drivers are quitting, because gas prices are high and pay is low. So that's pretty much the gist of it. Simple enough. And you know, drivers are fed up, and I don't even know if Uber and Lyft will be a thing anymore. I mean, I just tried to order a Lyft the other day to go like 4 miles, and it was $33. And I was like, are you joking me? $33? Like, that's crazy. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Take care, have a great day, and check out Buckle Up Insurance down below and get a free quote down below using my link. Bye now.